how to add categories and subcategories on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply add categories and subcategories to your Shopify store. So simply open up your Shopify store. After that, click on the left side on online store, and then now from over here simply click on navigation, and then after that simply click on add a menu from over here. Once you guys click on add menu, now from over here simply click on add menu items, and then after that you guys can just simply add in a collection. You guys can type in the name of your collection. So for example, you can type in over here the name of a collection, then of course choose which collection it is, and then after that you guys can just simply add in a collection. You guys can type in the name of your collection. So for example, you can type in over here the name of a collection, then of course you can also choose which collection it is. After that, simply from over here you guys can also add in a page, and then after that click on add, and then now you have a category made. You can also make subcategories for this particular item as well. So simply do the same thing, click on add menu items. After that, create another category to be something else, for example. Then from over here simply choose a collection, and then after that choose the sub collection that you guys want. It's the same thing, and then after that simply click on add, and now your store is gonna have categories and also subcategories as well. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in categories and also subcategories as well on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.